Okay, suppose that we know Peter's basketball team won 75% of their games last season, and we know that they won 42 games. In that case, we are trying to find out how many games did they play. And I would recommend you guys to first write an equation and then try to think about how to solve that equation. So from the first sentence, as we can see, right here it says they won, right? So let me just put down W to stand for how many games that they won, all right? So let me just put down W right here. The number of games that they won is equal to, right here it says 75%, right? And whenever you want to put down the percent into an equation, be sure you change this into a decimal. This is 75 with a decimal point right here. Move the decimal point twice to the left, so you get like this, which is 0.75, right? So this is the same as saying 0.75. So I'm going to put this down, 0.75 right here. And next it says, right here, 75% of. This is the keyword. You have to remember this keyword right here, because the word of, when you see that by itself, this means that you have to multiply. Once again, of means you have to multiply. So let me just indicate that this means that we are going to multiply. I have to take 0.75 and I will just put down, this is my little multiplication, all right? This is my little baby x to multiply. Multiply by what? Well, the games that they played last season. Since I didn't know how many games that they played, right? So I just put down G, right? G stands for the number of games that they played it. Okay, so you see, this is pretty much the equation. Furthermore, right here it says they won 42 games, right? So we know that this tells us W is equal to 42, isn't it? So I will just plug in 42 into here. We have 42 equals to 0.75, and because you know this is a multiplication, we can just put on G like this, 0.75 G. It means 0.75 times G, right? Okay, how can we solve for G? Since this is a multiplication, we have to do what? We have to divide by this 0.75 and do the same thing on both sides, of course. So 0.75 like this, so that this and that will be cancelled. At the end, you get G. Now be equal to, you can use a calculator if you like, 42 divided by 0.75, you get 56. Therefore, the number of games that I played it is 56 games. Let me just put this down right here. And that's it.